Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Tetris on your calculator. First, ensure your calculator model is compatible with external programs, such as a TI-83 Plus or TI-84 Plus. You will also need a computer and a USB transfer cable to connect your devices. Finally, acquire the necessary linking software for your specific calculator model, which is often available from the manufacturer's website. This setup is crucial for the next steps. Now, let's find the game itself. You'll want to search online for Tetris calculator game or calculator programs to locate suitable files. Once you find one, download it to your computer. These files often have extensions like .8xb. It's important to ensure the file you choose is specifically designed for your calculator's operating system and model to guarantee proper functionality. With the game file ready, it's time to transfer it. Connect your calculator to your computer using the USB transfer cable. Then, open the calculator's linking software on your computer. For example, TI Connect CE is common for Texas Instruments models. Within the software, you will select the Tetris game file from your computer and initiate the transfer process to send it directly to your connected calculator. Once the transfer is complete, safely disconnect your calculator from the computer. Now, on your calculator, navigate to the Program menu. This is typically accessed by pressing the PRGM button. You'll see a list of programs, including the Tetris game you just transferred. Select the Tetris program from this list and press Enter to launch it. You are now ready to enjoy hours of classic block dropping fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.